Unboxing Samsung S24 Ultra. It's come into recycled paper packing bag. Contains quick start guide, ejecting pin, data cable. Wow, it also come with back cover protector. Dynamic AMOLED x2 QHD plus edge display. Armor aluminum frame. S Pen. Are many colors: green, phantom black, lavender, cream, lime, sky blue, graphite and red. 12 megapixel selfie camera. 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera, 200 megapixels wide-angle camera, 10 megapixel telephoto, times 10 optical zoom. Screen 6.8 inches. 5000 mAh battery. Do you find a reason to buy this phone? Subscribe for more.